So you heard that Nowsite had a 50% off deal and you want to know more about it. I'm going to tell it to you. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, 6 or 7 figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies. And today I have a special treat for you. I got that news that you can use in a real way, because today, for a short time only, Nowsite has slashed their prices in half. Yeah, that's right. You see what I'm talking about. So now you get marketing, $23.50 for a month, or you get marketing, $282 for the year. Be done with it. Or you get networking. What you get for networking? Well, you know, we said you get 100 prospects a month, and okay, on top of that, you're going to be able to have everything that you need to be able to properly market and promote your business, right? All up under one umbrella. If you take advantage of the bundle, which you can also see, $47 a month, $517 a year. So exactly what are we talking about here? Well, let's get into it, okay? And let me show you exactly what we are talking about here. So if you notice right here, okay, $23.50, unlimited sales funnel, everything you need to market online. All right, so what do you get for that? Well, basically you're gonna get unlimited websites, unlimited capture pages, unlimited email autoresponder, all right, that you can be able to build your list with. Also, one of the things I love about Nowsite is their tools. Well, you know, hey, check it out. I can show you better than I can tell you, right? So what do you get from marketing? Let's go and show you. Okay. So right here, you go to your marketing suite. You can see you got websites, you got email, SMS, social media, you got your ads. Okay. You got everything that you need to fully market your business. As you can see, I have 4 pages of websites. I use this for everything. Okay. When I say everything, I mean everything. And just look at some of the quality websites that you can actually make with this. Okay, so as you can see, nice video background, you know, dynamic colors, videos, everything that you need to really be able to fully market your business, you could pretty much do. Even at a countdown timer, but now that time is done. But you see, right? So you able to make these type of quality sales funnels and websites and capture pages right in your back office. Then you got your email autoresponders. Okay, you can make unlimited amounts of those, and you can actually see how they're performing on with your campaigns. Right. You got SMS texting. Okay, so you got your you got ads, you got domains, so you got everything you need to market your business, right? Then also we have a team section, which I also always feel is deeply important, because I get to put everything I want for my team right here in one place, and you get access to it. So look at all these different files. I got websites that we get to share. That's right. Every website I create, I get to share with the team, and then you have that same website. So look right here on the websites. You already got them there. And then when you click here, you can just add it with one click. See, you want to add a website, just add. Boom, you got that website. So you get access to the team section. That's going to allow you to be able to do that. Okay. You're also going to get access to these tools right here. Okay. Everything up there. Okay. You get access to all that. And then, okay, if you decide to take it a step further, all right, and let's say you went with the yearly, then you could pretty much be paid up for the whole year for just $282. Okay. But there's more. So networking. What is networking? So networking is going to give you 100 prospects a month. Let me say that again. Prospects, not leads, prospects. And the reason why I say not leads, because leads usually lead you nowhere, right? Leads is like, you know, but prospects, oh, wait a minute. Prospects are a little bit different. And I'll show you how it's different. So when you come over here to prospects, you know, usually leads, you end up with a name, you end up with an email address, maybe a phone number if you're lucky, right? Well, let's go over here to my prospects that I've already accumulated. You see right here, it says, we have a new prospect for you. Now, this prospect is based off of the search criteria that I put in. So I had different ones. I got this travel company I'm dealing with. So I had some travel criteria. I had network marketing. I had make money from home. Let me see when this came in. This came in at 107. So it might have the travel information. Let's see. So it says, we got this new lead. Oh, wait, I actually already got this one. Sorry. So these are prospects that I already did. If I didn't do them, they would look like this. So that's what I was looking at. So it says like get prospect. So I can hit the get prospect, and this is going to be based off of the criteria that I had put in the search before, which was network marketing. So if I like what I see, then I can put save and view contact. So I'm going to save and view contact. See, this is traveling. So I can already see it right there, traveling. So it's probably a traveling. See, travel right there. So that's probably one of my travel ones. We'll see, though. So let's come down. Let's see what the interest is. These are going to be network marketing or traveling. And if we're lucky, it'll say both. So let's go back. Let's go down. Okay, so right here, traveling. So that's one of the interests, right? And then over here, look at entrepreneurship, marketing strategy, online networking. So this is a good lead, okay? And let me go show you if we get specific. Like I want a certain lead to fit a certain criteria. So right now, I'm gonna go for let's see. Let's do another travel one. How about that? Let's do travel. Okay. So you see I'm targeting the US for travel. I could put a company, but I'm not going to put a company right now. I'm not going to worry about age restrictions, not worry about gender, because I want both. So let's just see what pops up from just travel. Okay. So I'm going to get a prospect. I'm looking for people interested in travel. And I'm going to show you why this is more powerful than a lead, because a lead is not going to give you the amount of information that we're going to get back. Okay. So we're going to show you just how much information that you would get back from a single one. So, all right, we got Sean Mix so far. Okay, so let's say save and view contact. Now, after I do this, I can look to see if this person's ideal for me to go further. So I see right here his interest is traveling. Okay, and then the skill sets. Let me see. I'm looking for something. So even though this person likes to travel, there's some other skill sets that I would have liked to have seen, like network marketing, work from home, anything like that. So I can actually go and put it, I can dive down deeper, all right? So I can go deeper with this. And what I can do is I can actually choose a prospect, like I can go tag like a company. So it's like a company that I know that was in the travel, right? So let's go, hold on, let me go here fast. And right here, see where it says company? I'm going to put World Ventures. Because remember, that was actually a travel MLM. And this will probably bring up people that's more in the MLM space versus just someone that just likes to travel, right? So I want somebody that likes to travel, but I also want somebody that's probably also going to be tied into network marketing, working from home, so forth and so on. So, okay. So this didn't bring back that much data, but what it did bring back is, look, his interest is travel, and look at the current company, World Ventures. All right, so let's take it a little bit further. So let's say let's go with work from home. Work from home and network marketing. Okay, and let's get prospect. Let's see what that do. All right, so we got Isabel Garcia. So let's go save and view contact. All right, so so far we got the email, phone, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So that's already a good amount of information right there that we can contact them. Now let's go see what their interests are. Okay, so interests, and we're looking for things that would be relevant to what we got going on, right? So travel the world, actually, this would be good for travel, actually, investing. And then over here, they got marketing, perfect. Network marketing, perfect. Social media marketing, perfect. Entrepreneurship, exactly what we're looking for. Okay, so this is somebody I want to enhance. So let's see if we can enhance this contact and get even more data back. Sometimes you can, sometimes you won't. It just depends. All right, so I pulled up a little bit more, show the current companies they're working in. I can go a little bit step further, and I can do analyze personality. So I can do that, so that way I know how to reach out to my contact. This one takes a little bit more time to get back because the company's going to analyze and send it to you. So I'll show you what that kind of looks like over here. So you can see I have 2 in progress. That means I'm waiting for this personality analysis to come back. But these are already came. So let's go look at what a successful one looks like so you can kind of get an idea of what to expect. Okay. So when you come in and you do this, you can see right here that you got personality analysis that you get to go through. And look, it shows you everything about your prospect, their behavior, even when emailing them, what you should say, what's their triggers, what's their stressors, what's their things that's going to get them motivated. Look, everything right there teaches you exactly how to reach out to them. I'm not going to read all this because it's a lot, but you can just pause the video and read it. Okay. Also, look at sell tactics, how you should sell to them. When's the last time you bought a lead and they told you how to respond to it? Said, try this. When you do use strong positive language, get a time on the books in the very near future to keep the ball rolling and show enthusiasm and excitement to get started. Try this. When do you have 15 minutes to talk on Friday? This will completely change your team's effectiveness for the better. What time worked best for you tomorrow? See what I'm saying? So it tells you how to respond to them. So look, again, you can pause the video, look at this, but look at all this information, all from just doing a search. Powerful. So now you see why I said this is stronger than leads, okay? And like I was saying, as you can see right here, you get 100 of those type of prospects for just $23.50. No brainer. No brainer. Okay, so $23.50, 50% off. You get that. Okay, or $282 for the year. You say, look, I'm just gonna pay this up for the year and I'm gonna get my 1,200 prospects. I'm good. Boom, there you go. Okay, so that's the deal we got right now. We also have 100 prospects and marketing. You heard right. The bundle for $47. So you get both, best of both worlds. Okay, you get both for $47 or $517 for the year, but that's for both. So now you got all the marketing and you're getting 100 leads a month. How cool is that? All right. And you've seen how powerful the leads are. You've seen what kind of information you could pull up, what kind of data it pulls back. So just think about how effective and efficient that's going to be now when you go reach out to that prospect, or you friend them on Facebook. You start the ball rolling like that. Don't even be an amateur where you're, spamming people. Go like, comment, share their posts, then reach out to them. You see what I'm saying? So I think you get where I think you're picking up where I'm dropping down. Like, you see the power in this, right? And you can actually take advantage of this right now if you hit the link below, okay? And you use the promo codes you see right here. If it was for the year, $517 for the bundle. If it's for just monthly, $47 for the bundle. If you say, okay, look, I just want prospects, $282 for the year, or $23. See the promo code? 23 right here. 23 for the year. Or if you want to get marketing, $282 for the year. That's the promo code. Or 23 if you want it for $23.50. So again, as you can see, guys, for less than $25 a month, you can have an unlimited marketing suite, or you can have unlimited prospects, well, not unlimited, 100 prospects, or you can pay $47 a month, which I highly recommend, and get them both. And not have to worry about this thing, or get it for the year and not have to worry about this thing for the next year, and be able to efficiently market your business and have somebody to market to. All right, so you see what it is. All you gotta do is hit the link below, getmoneylikeaboss.com, and then hit one of these promo codes and we'll get you in, save 50%. And man, let's hit the ground running. Or if you got questions, I got the answers. I'm the top earner in the company. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you may or may not have. If you haven't already done so, also smash that subscribe button. That way you get notified when I actually do these videos. You know. Don't forget to hit the bell. That way you get the notification. Also, if you've been looking up, you see that QR code? Well, you can actually scan that QR code if you want a list of all my top income opportunities that I'm currently in, and you want to see if some of these other ones resonate with you as well. All right. Now I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.